Hey there, scrapper people. Today we're going to tear apart this Wii Fit Board. It weighs 7 pounds, 6.2 ounces. It does not work. To show you, it is corroded and it's gotten wet, so we're going to take it apart and see what we can get out of this, if anything. So let's stay tuned and let's get it done. I've found many of these, and some work, some don't. This one didn't. This wouldn't anyway, because it's gotten wet. So let's see what one's made of. See if there's anything good. See if it's worth taking apart, or if it's just a waste of time. We'll waste my time so you don't have to. Nah, I like doing this. It's not a waste of time. Got a bunch of plastic on the legs and stuff. Some there's big things on there. Hopefully I got something to get them off with. Not sure where that one went. Oh, still attached. Dropping everything. Sure what those are, rubber bottoms, I guess. Might be it. Let's see. More plastic. And there it is. A metal frame, a battery compartment, little board for the, ooh, look at that. That's why it didn't work. It's all corroded. A neat little board. So let me finish getting this apart. The legs has got like a weight. Let me get this. We'll go ahead and fast forward through all these screws. Oh, look at that. Those things are pieced together. Two pieces. And there it is. The frame's actually a little heavy there. And it comes apart. But if you can see, they got load cells on them. Those might be aluminum. So I'll try to get them apart. I'll get all this wire and stuff off of it, and when I come back we'll weigh it up and see what we got. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. Okay, we are back. And there we have it. Our steel, which is heavy steel, weighs 4 pounds, 7.7 ounces. Those are some heavy pieces. If you need anything to weld to or support, I mean, these are nice and thick. Our brass, it weighs nothing, so we'll say a penny for the brass. We did have some dirty aluminum. Those load cells can't be cleaned because there's stuff inside, so it's got to be dirty aluminum. 1.6 ounces, 1.7 ounces of dirty aluminum. Them other two boards was nothing on them, so I just metal scrap, metal shred. Our wire, which is really thin wire, 0.5 ounces of insulated copper wire, really thin stuff. And our board, which I would say it's a low-grade peripheral. There's a couple little things on it. There's some gold. I'd say that might be a Wi-Fi card. So we'll call it a low-grade peripheral. 0.9 ounces for the low-grade peripheral. So that was it on that there Wii Fit Board. Kind of neat to see what was in it. Like I said, it's steel. It's steel is what makes it heavy. Now you see, don't leave your batteries in those things. It'll corrode them. It'll eat them up, ruin them. But hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And always a thumbs up is nice. Stick around, I got plenty more to come, and we'll see you next time. Bye.